The first factory producing autonomous driving systems has been opened in Tomsk. It is the first factory of its kind in Russia. Had this happened in California, the news would have been explosive, being written about by all the newspapers. However, the factory in question was opened in Siberia, so the world media prefers to overlook this fact, although international clients are already lining up for orders. Why is this happening? Watch the rest of this video and you'll see. The country's first robotic factory for producing unique AI systems for pilotless trains and harvesters, made by the Russian company Cognitive Pilot, is now open in Tomsk. The city has excellent university facilities and enough top-ranked specialists to make things work. Some 4.5 million euros were invested in the project. The Tomsk factory will be producing high-demand and thoroughly tested agricultural sets that allow any farming machinery to be converted into pilotless, redirecting the operator to control the harvesting process. This helps to reduce harvest loss by 30 to 35%. 200 pilotless harvesters are working in the Russian fields at the moment, and the amount is to be increased to around 10,000. The majority of clients for this equipment are from abroad, and most of it is queued for export. And the company has even bigger plans for the future. Aside from some agricultural equipment, the company has the world's first industrial prototype of a 4D radar for the autonomous operation systems for ground transport. This device can not only detect coordinates and speed of transport units in any weather, but also display their shape, just like a video camera does. The Tomsk factory will start to produce artificial intelligence systems for trains that will assess the situation on the railroad and signal the operator about any dangers detected ahead. And it will even make the necessary decisions to avoid accidents if the operator does not react to the threats. The system manages the railroad traffic in a more rational way, reducing idle time and fuel consumption, which is a considerable cost-cutting measure. No one in the world produces systems like this. Why is foreign media keeping silent about this? That is because they concentrate on political news from Russia and do not wish to see anything positive about the country at all. This consciously biased attitude causes a negative impact on business and humanitarian cooperation between countries. Sadly, business has to suffer because Western media is so heavily influenced by politicians. Nevertheless, we hope that one day this will finally be over with, and people around the world will see Russia as the normal, reasonable, and technologically advanced country that it truly is. Please subscribe to this channel for more news about Russia.